Hey everyone, this is my dog Teddy. We just came back from a walk. He's so happy. Hey buddy. Yeah. The space is the same now. I can put my 4x4 post here and here, and this will maintain the proper distance. I've measured this out so that the 2x6s, which I'm going to use for the deck boards, should work out just right. So that point and this point should be equal. I hope I did it right. We'll find out when I start putting this together. So this piece is fastened now. This is 4 feet, 7-inch blocks. And the 8-foot pieces are going to go this way. I'll show you that once I start assembling it. So I made 2 of these. These are going to be for the roof. Those blocks will maintain the same distance. So those 2x4s are fastened in place. I'll fasten these in place, which will make a step. Okay, so the tops are in now. I'm going to lay some 2x6s across the top, and then the tarp will go over top of that. So that should help keep the deck dry. So yeah, there's the roof. Some 2x6s laid across those cross members. I'm gonna put a tarp over top of that, and that'll be it for this project. Okay, come on.